want to see the Cybetruck River Crossing video, stop scrolling. Successful attempt.
1-2 Polizei, 3 Koirat hier, 5 Santa-Gips, 7 Nacht, bunte Nacht.
It's morning here at the moment. Look how beautiful. Assessing the damage, it's a little bit broken here on this side, and the water collecting system is at the moment it doesn't work. As you can see, this pipe it's supposed to be inside the bucket, and now radio seems to be fine. Missing one part here maybe. Nothing happened to my roof hatchet. It's fine, it's working. This is a professional GoPro holder. If you guys need one, I can sell you $100. This is new. This is total new. Yesterday installed for the police vehicle. Need this. Yes. I see camera get a little bit wet. No problem there. I can clean it. This is biggest river in my country. And of course, most powerful cyber police car in my country. Look at the exhaust. Dude, I see sand is coming out of the engine.